Everybody, I'm here with John. We just got back in the car. We're coming from the ShopRite, getting a few things. It wasn't too bad. It was a lot of people, but it was moving pretty quick. So we're on our way back. Hey, John.
Hello.
So make sure you guys are careful while you're out there, because it's snowing pretty good out there. Well, you can't see it real good. Let me roll the window down. So it's snowing pretty heavy out. So you guys be careful out there, and we're gonna go home and chill, have some treats. I got some cupcakes from Pans. Yeah. Vanilla, very vanilla. Can you see it? Yeah, I think you can. So it's gonna be good. So I'll talk to you guys later. Be safe. Oops. Be safe. Drive careful. And I'll talk to you later. See you on the FB.
Later.
Or YouTube. Or my blog. www.blogwithjester.com. While you guys are home, just chilling, check out some of our blogs. www.blogwithjester.com. Later.